let me give you love spell for love begs. This love spell I'm about to give you is for whom you love so much. This is not the type of love spell that I get one chief one side. I want to tie him down so that he will buy me this or buy me that. No. This one is for whom you love. And he's not loving you back the way you want it. You want that person to love you back and take care of you. This love spell is for you. And it works real good. Just do it exactly the way I'm about to tell you. And you will see the person running after you. All you need is get white sheet of paper, pen 1. Okay? You get red pen. Okay? Get red thread and white thread. You understand? That thread where they use the sew red and white. Then you buy a queen pineapple. Very ripe one. It must be all ripe all over the body. When you get all these items, cut the pineapple into 2. Okay? Remove the inside. You keep it aside. Then you get your plain sheet of paper. White. Okay? Use your red pen. Write your full name. Write the person's full name. Then you turn the back and write love me back. After that, you fold it 3 times to yourself. Okay? Don't fold it out like this. No. Don't fold it like this. No. Fold it like this and fold it like this to yourself 3 times. Okay? Then you put it inside the pineapple. Get original honey and Bintel Sudan. Pour it. Pour all the Bintel Sudan on top of the pepper that is inside that pineapple. Then you take the original honey and start pouring it on top of the white pepper inside the pineapple. And declare your intentions. The way you want him or her to love you. Say it while pouring the honey on top of the white sheet of paper. When you're done, cover the pineapple back. Now is the time for you to tie the pineapple with the red and the white thread. You tie it. Make sure you use it to hold the pineapple together. After tying this pineapple together, you will bury it under a big tree or a big flower. At this point, your love spell is done. But make sure while doing this, nobody will see you. If not, it will neutralize the effectiveness of the love spell. Remember, I said this love spell is for whom you love, and you have to care for the person very well. There are other types of love spell. Maybe you want to tie somebody down to do something for you, or you want to get money from the person. You can emboss for that. But as for this one, is a love spell of whom you must marry. Do it exactly the way I say you should do it, and I bet you will surely come back to this platform to share your testimony, because King of Positivity is waiting for your testimony. See you guys in my next video.